Shan. What an incredibly lucky man I am to soon call you my wife. I'm excited to share my life with you as my partner. Every day will be filled with your infectious laughter, your unwavering love, and persistent kindness. I can't imagine a day without you. When we first met, I was unemployed, living in my parents' house, but none of that mattered to you. You saw me for me and helped build me up to the man that's standing before you today. Now, every day, we get to share laughter and hardships and come out all the stronger. Today's ceremony is just making official what was already the truth, our love and partnership. Now, as we commit to spend the rest of our lives together as partners, every day will be like the weekend. I love you, Shannon.
To have someone to see your entire soul, the good, the bad, and everything in between, and still wake up every day and choose you. But now I know what love is, and what it means to be loved because you showed me. You've answered the prayers of little me, hoping one day she'll find the fairy tale ending she's always wanted. You've brought so much joy and love into my life, and there's not a day that goes by that I am not constantly reminded of how truly lucky I am to have you as a partner. It's crazy to think that every decision we've made in life has brought us here to this exact moment, a moment we will cherish for the rest of our lives. I love you endlessly today, tomorrow, and forever. I put a heart.